Put everything here, and sino makakaisip na? Hi guys, I'm Concepcion of tellemaywhy.com and welcome back to my channel. And for this video, you guys, if you have already seen sa ating title, we are going to make a DIY cat litter box using furniture piece here, which is a leatherette ottoman. Ayan, so wala ngayon si Stormy, he's taking a nap outside. Ayun, we'll get right into the tutorial. So first off, we have here the ottoman that I bought from Shopee. Okay, so by the way, all the product links, I'll link it down below. Other part or other piece sa ating cat litter box is the cat door. So also bought this from Shopee. I think this is the size large or XL. I wanted to do this DIY kasi number one, grabe, halos all of the litter boxes na nakita ko sa Shopee, halos same lang yung price nito. Parang namamahalan ako, to be honest. Kasi parang technically, planggana lang naman yung mga yun. Tapos, ayun, isa pa is, I wanted Stormy's litter box to be large enough, wide enough, and tall enough for him to be able to do his business nang hindi siya magiging uncomfortable. Okay, so we have here the instruction manual on how to install this cat door. Actually, if you guys can see, pang door talaga siya, no? Ang kapal. And, ayun, itong ating foldable storage ottoman is actually really quite thin. Kaso, syempre, mas sturdy naman siya. And what I like about this one is na kukolapse siya, guys. Ayan, tatanggalin mo lang yung bottom piece and then collapsible na siya. So, pwede nyo din siyang magawang storage compartment talaga and madali nyo siya matanggal-tanggal sa room ninyo if you guys are interested. Kaso yeah, gagawin natin siyang permanent furniture piece sa sala as the litter box. So, yan. Tatanggalin na muna natin yung ating bottom piece. And then, we shall get this part of the cat door, okay? And then, we shall just draw an outline. Okay, kasi gusto natin nakaganito yung ating door. And by the way guys, if you are wondering kung ano tong mga tabs na to, the locks of this door, para halimbawa pag ganun lang yung opening niya, hindi na siya pwede pumasok ng ganyan. Tapos if you switch it up, ayan, pwede na ulit siya swing kahit anong direction. Okay, and so pwede nyo rin to ilagay sa mga front doors ninyo if you want your cats to have the freedom to go in and out of your houses. I'll be using this piece as my guide. Okay. Tapos, let's make sure na naka-centered siya. Now, we are going to make an outline of the inside portion. Yun yung ika-cut away natin. Na-miss ko tong mga DIYs. Hindi ko bumalik ako sa architecture school. Char! Okay, so we have here our faint line guide in cutting this piece. Okay, so by the way, pakita ko lang ulit sa inyo. Ang ganda niya. As in, ang ganda ng quality, guys. If you wanna purchase this as your seamless chair or like your hidden chair storage thing, yeah, I highly recommend this item. Okay, now I have here my metal ruler and cutter. Flashback to all my model making days. Okay, now we shall cut through our chair. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako sa part na to. No room for mistakes. Na-realize ko, baka hindi ko pala magagamit tong metal ruler. Actually, when I bought this, hindi ko talaga alam na one piece yung buong box. Akala ko like, i-assemble mo per side. Tapos, ewan ko, ididikit mo siya per piece ng box. But yeah, tapos yun, isip ko like this side can be taken. Tapos, igaganon ko siya with the cutter. But now, parang iniisip ko, pag ginanyan ko siya, magfo-fold. Okay, so I think I have to cut it ng nakaside. So wish me luck! Oh my my gosh, nag-pierce na siya sa skin. Hindi man lang siya tumago sa other side. Okay, ayan. Makikita ko na siya. Nag-pierce na yung blade sa other side. Progress. Pinapawisan na ako. Ito pala yung nagagawa natin. The first 1/4 of this whole square or this whole rectangle. Okay, so medyo may ginawa akong technique. Parang nagagamay ko na siya. This is my technique, guys. First, ipipierce ko muna siya ng ganyan. And then, I'll swivel it up and down like that. Tapos, mas mabilis siya compared to like, ewan ko, kanina ginaganon-ganon ko kasi siya. So, pierce. And then, wiggle it. Pierce and wiggle. And now, since we're nearing this other corner, para hindi siya biglang lumagpas ng ganun sa edge na to, pag gano'n naman tayo magka-cut. We're done with this top side. Now for the other side. So also guys, safety tip, always slide your cutter away from your face or away from yourself, away from your face, your body. Okay, always gotta protect the face.
Feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore.
So, since mahirap mag-cutter ng curves, kinore ko na lang muna siya. Scoring is when you lightly slice the material. When you score the board, it will look like something like this. So, at least may guide ka pa rin kung saan ka dapat magka-cut.
Yeah, we live so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. What our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we won't.
Tapos itong black part, I think we can just use a pair of scissors to cut it off.
Oh, I don't feel how I used to.
Then, let's test it. Kakasya ba yung ating door?
Like I used to anymore.
Oh no, hindi siya makapasok. I played it safe kasi niliitan ko yung butas. Well, okay lang naman. At least, hindi sumobra. As in, hindi maluwag, diba? Okay, so, triman pa natin siya. Ayoko na mag-cut. Napasok rin natin siya, guys. So, it's a super snug fit. Hindi ko na lang siya isi-screw here kasi mahirapan tayo. Kung bubutasan ko to, may possibility na magka-crack yung board here. Okay, so para hindi natin ma-compromise yung mismong hole natin here. Imagine nyo kasi pag nag-crack yan, lalaki yung hole, hindi na tuloy magiging sturdy. Hindi niya na kaya ma-hold yung door panel in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue them in place. Nagamit ko na to sa iba kong mga projects and it's really sturdy, this T8000. Salamat Shopee, sa kanila ko ito nabili. Okay, so ilalagay ko siya here sa inside kasi doon lumalapat yung door natin. Ayan siya guys. Para siyang mighty bond na mas malambot. Hindi kagad siya kasing bilis kaso quick pa rin. So ilagay na natin siya. Oh, eto na. Wala nang balikan. So, itok na rin pala natin tong bottom panel here. Okay. Now, I'm going to squeeze some glue right here so that our outside panel is stuck to the outside of the chair. Ta-da! Ayan! Now, all we have to do is place these caps dito sa holes. And we now done. Oh my gosh, she's looking cute. She Bob the Builder or whatever. Sobrang cute. As in, gigil ako sa mga ganito. Yung mga hindi mo hindi mo aakalain na yun yung purpose niya. Like, who would ever think? Ayan, imagine nyo na, nasa sala kami. Okay, nakaupo lang. Ganyan. Yeah. Like, yeah. Pwede ka pang humiga, relax right here. And sino makakaisip na meron palang litter box dito. Yeah. And by the way guys, itong ating T8000 na glue, we shall wait for the glue to cure talaga, concrete, to harden in 2 days max. And so it's actually pretty sturdy na already right here. Kaso syempre, bago magamit ni Stormy yung kanyang litter box, I wanna make sure na perfectly dried and secured in place na talaga tong cat door.
I don't love the way you treat me when you stoop. In a perfect world, you take me as I do. And I'm ashamed to say you paid for all my dues. I still got love for you. Been a couple days since I ran it back. I've been out of town on my fanny pack. Eyes wide open when I lay down. You try to build me up, but I stayed down. Summertime, suicide. Who am I? Do or die? Did you decide? How do you define the new design? The mood is mine. I'm out of line and it's taking over you. No mistaking that I knew all the pain I caused for you. All the pain I caused for you. I'm ashamed to say it's true. Almost told you that I don't love the way you treat me when you stoop. In a perfect world, you take me as I do. And I'm ashamed to say you paid for all my.
And that's it for this episode, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red button down below, hit subscribe and that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video. Check out my website, it's tellemaywhy.com. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok are all under the usernames tellemaywhy. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!